What is up, guys? Gio here from ChummiTV, back with another video. Today we're out here at Robinson's Magnolia because we're about to do another budget outfit challenge over at H&M. And we have Bianca behind the camera. So let's go. So we're here at this H&M. The men's section is actually upstairs, so let's go. So how much should our budget be? Should it be around $50 or 2,500 pesos? I think we can make an outfit work. Actually, my technique of shopping over here at H&M is actually going to the sale section over there. So what I usually do first is search the sale section because we're on a budget today and we can't buy everything we see. So over here we have some options of denim pants. So over here's my section, the basic section, because over at H&M is where I get some essential pieces like this gray hoodie, olive hoodie, and it's very cheap. It's around 999 pesos only. So here are some options that we can buy with the budget. So over here they also have some basic shirts, some plain ones. So I usually use this as undershirt for like jackets and stuff, and retails for 299 pesos. So, and solid option. So over here we have some sweatshorts and solid for the summer with some high socks and sneakers. Retails for 599 pesos and solid. So over here we have this flannel which looks a lot like Burberry, and it retails for 1,190, and I'm actually looking for some flannels, so this is a solid option. But yeah, I have some more to look at. So ito another solid one, just a graphic tee. And over here we have a corduroy jacket, but above the budget na siya, 2,290 pesos. Again, more sale options and some black cargo pants that are on sale. How much? 1,200 pesos from 1,690, so not bad. And more long sleeve polos. So over here they have some swim shorts which are perfect for the beach, but retail is around 899 pesos, which is almost the same as the pants that we saw from the sale section over there. Ayun, so another option. Over here another solid polo which has a lot of print in it, perfect for the beach, matched with this shorts. So another option. How much? Ayun. 1,490, above the budget, good and solid option. 799. So Bianca saw this section. She has some sweaters for only 4.99 pesos. But we live in the Philippines, so nope. So there you guys have it. We just got our stuff. Now it's time to try it on. So before we show you the outfit that I bought, we actually just received the package from Commonwealth with the friends and family online sale. Yep. I actually posted it on our community page here on YouTube. So yeah, dumating na siya kanina, and yeah, let's unbox it. So over here, first item up, we have Bianca's Stussy shirt. If you wanna open it.
So I think it's priced at 2,200 originally, but then it's on sale for like
1,200 pesos.
No, for 1,600, and then you get another 15 off. So that makes it like 1,300 na lang. So yeah, solid siya kasi ito yung original tiba.
It's just the basic design.
The basic design.
Kasi idol niya si Jess Cadelli.
Yeah.
And yung style niya is yung oversized shirt for girls.
Yeah. And I always wear t-shirts.
So yeah, that's the first one. So up next, we have this Nike Lab sweater right here. Ayan.
This is really so nice. Look at the quality.
Actually, it's nice, huh? Yeah.
Ang kapal niya.
So first off, ang ganda ng quality niya because it's a Nike Lab item right there. And actually sa US, when I looked at the website, it's actually retails for $80. And sa website ng Commonwealth, they were posted at just 1,600 plus the 15 off. So around 1,300 pesos na lang siya lumalabas. So ayun, I can't pass on it because super steal na. And I can't wear it here in the Philippines.
Yeah, because it's so kapal.
Kapal, pero ayan. Yeah. Whenever I just go back in the US,
ganda.
I have an outfit na.
Okay.
And
the last piece.
The last item up, we have another Nike Lab item. We have a pair of shorts in this brown colorway.
Hindi lang kita, but it's color brown. Wait, let me show it with flash, with white light.
Naging green.
Naging green. Pero brown siya.
Yeah, and it only has this cute little check here.
Yeah.
And I actually like wearing shorts now because summertime nga, and super easy niya lang to style with just high socks and a pair of sneakers, diba?
Yep.
So yeah. A pair of Nike Lab shorts with just the swoosh. So again, it's around 1,300 pesos lang from 2,000 pesos. So
are they still on sale? No.
Yeah, I think they are still on sale. So make sure to check out the website. I'll put it down below. Commonwealth Friends and Family website.
Okay.
So now it's time to show you guys the outfit. For the pants, I actually got this for only 900 pesos. And this is the zipper pants.
Ooh.
So actually, this is my favorite pair of pants before around second year when we met, diba? Kasi it has that fear of God vibes, wherein you just wear a pair of runners and then it looks good na automatically. And I needed a new pair, so ayan, restock na with that pair of pants. And it has this garterized bottom para maging maganda yung stacks niya.
Okay.
So zipper pants. And then the next item is this flannel, which retailed for 1,190 pesos only. And you just wear it with the plain t-shirt underneath, and then ayun, ganda na ng fit mo kagad.
Mukha pa siyang Burberry.
Yeah, mukha nga siyang Burberry. And then I think this is very in right now.
Yeah. So are you gonna wear this later?
Yeah. So what I really like about flannels is that hindi siya ganun kainit as compared to wearing jackets, jean jackets, and mga so you still get the style down without suffering with the tiis pogi syndrome. So yun, flannel, solid. So
yeah, it's under 2.5 pa nga.
So it's under 2.5. The total was around 2,100 pesos. So we made it under the budget. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below what other stores you guys want us to do a budget outfit challenge on. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.